Yes, children, good afternoon, one and all, and welcome back to our EVS class. Hope all of you are ready.
Yes, ma'am.
So, just have a small revision of the previous class. We have you tried reading chapter 21.
Ma'am, good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon. Yes, now listen. All of you tried to read the lesson, chapter 21, water and air. That was good trial. Many of you have read well, and some of you couldn't read well, so I asked you to practice well at home. Right? So, today, what we are going to do is a small experiment to learn that air is all around. Air is around us. Everywhere air is present. This is what we have learned in the last class, right? Isn't it? So today we will just have a small experiment to know that everywhere there is air. Okay. So for that, still we have 4 minutes time. So meanwhile, I request you people if you can bring water in a bowl and a glass. If possible, plastic glass. Can you all get that from your kitchen? Because you people are at home, so that is possible. Try to get a bowl with full of water and one plastic glass. If possible, please get it from your kitchen. One glass like this or like this, anything, and one bowl full of water. Nobody.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please get it. Put your mics in mute and try to get a bowl with water and one plastic glass or one glass. Any empty glass.
Why, ma'am?
We have a small
Why,
experiment.
ma'am?
We have a small
Ma'am,
actually. If you listen, then you will understand. We'll have a small experiment to learn that everywhere air is present. Air is all around us. To know that, a small experiment we will do. For that, if possible, get one bowl water
টিস্যু পেপার ঢোকাতে বলছে
and insert the glass in that bowl. Yes, children. See, if you do not get, I will start. I am giving you 2 minutes time. I am showing you, see, you can get a bowl of water in which this glass is can be inverted, not a small one, a little this kind of bowl with full of water and one glass. Please go and get it from your kitchen. Ishan, cup might not be possible. And please take care when you are using water. You are near the laptop or mobiles. Water should not spill on your electronic gadgets. So be careful. If possible, take the supervision of your parents. If not, just see what I am going to do. See, I have brought one tub, small tub with water. So you need not bring such a bigger one. You can bring a small bowl. You can bring a small bowl with full of water and a cup in which this glass in which a glass which can be inserted into that bowl. That you see and get it. 1 minute more I am giving you. If you can get it, please get so that you people can do experiment along with me. Is everyone interested to do this? Is everyone interested to do this? Yes or no? Yes. Then try to get the things because you are you can get immediately. A small glass. Got it? Yes. Yes.
Activity.
Yes, it's an activity.
This is activity.
Okay, get ready. We are starting in a minute.
Ma'am, this is activity.
Children, no talking. Please. I told you, yes, this is an activity, this is an experiment to know that air is all around us. Clear? Just to know that everywhere there is air and air can fill the space. To know all that, we are doing a small experiment. Now, no more talking. As I tell you, you do it. Any doubt, raise your hand. Okay? Yes. Yes. To know that air is all around, what we are doing is we are taking of water. Can you see the water? See, unnecessarily don't talk. Can you see water inside this? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Tub is full of water and I am taking one.
Yes, ma'am.
Can
Yes, ma'am.
you we have nothing in class. Why so much of disturbance? If you talk, how will you understand what I am telling you? So I have taken a tub full of water and I have taken an empty glass. Can you see? This glass is completely empty. Right? Do you find anything in this? No. Isn't it? So you are also supposed to take an empty glass. Clear? Now, this glass I am putting it in the water. Then what happens? Water will go into glass. Isn't it? So all of you are ready to see the magic? Are you all ready? Yes, very good. See, I am now keeping this glass inside the water. What do you see? Can you see water in the glass? Can you see water in the glass?
No, ma'am.
You cannot see because it's a plastic glass and colorful glass. So I am taking this glass so that you understand very clearly. See here, I am inserting the glass. Did you see?
I'm unable to hear.
Did you see water getting into the glass? Is the water inside the glass? No. Can you tell me why there is no water inside the glass? Can you tell me
Yes.
why there is no water inside the glass?
Because of air, I'm unable to hear.
See, others are able to hear. Others are able to hear. If you are not able to hear, particularly, there might be a problem with your network at your home. Please check that. Okay. All others are fine with the volume. I have given full volume. So please try to listen to me carefully. See, I have inserted glass inside the water. You can see it clearly. There is no water inside the glass. Right? Water has not gone into the glass. Yes, you people are saying because of air. Can you explain why? How is that air helping not to get water inside the glass? Anyone?
No, sir.
So what happening is when I am inserting the glass inside this, here wherever this empty place is there, there is an air inside that which is pushing water down, which is not allowing water to get inside the glass. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now
Yes.
how to prove that it's
Yes, ma'am.
not allowing get water inside it? So let us do this. Now see here, children, I am simply tilting the glass. See now you can see the bubbles. Water is getting into the water. Can you see the bubbles? Now water has come into the glass. You can see the water filled with glass filled with water. Yes. Can you all see this?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we have done here clearly is yes, Shruti.
Ma'am, I have done this ma'am.
Yes. So one by one, Saurajesh is doing. Let us see his. Saurajesh, are you ready to show that? Yes, please unmute yourself. Yes, and yes, show me Saurajesh. Yes, see here, he has inverted the glass inside the water and water has not gone into the glass. Very good. Then it means that air inside the glass is pushing out the water not to get into it. Now show me Saurajesh, how is that air helps the water to get inside the glass?
Because the trapped air. The
Ah,
trapped air. When I put this here, then little bit water comes and the trapped air pushes the water down.
yes, very good. Now, but how to take water into the glass?
We need to
Tilt.
curve this.
Tilt. Yes, very good. You need to tilt the glass. Then what happens? Air inside the glass go out of the glass and water enters.
And water comes inside.
Yes, very good, Sauraj. Yes, well done. It's a nice experiment from your side. Okay, let me give chance to others. Who else is ready now? Who is the next student ready? Yes, Shruti is ready. Okay, let me check with Shruti. Yes, Shruti, unmute yourself. Shruti, are you ready? See, once you say ready, you should be ready with your work. Yeah, very good. Yes. Do it. Show it to me, Shruti. Where is your video? No. Then who else is ready? Ah, yeah, Shruti, show me. Your experiment is ready? Are you ready with the bowl full of water? Can't give you so much of time, Shruti. We are running up with the time. Let me go to Sai Chetan. Sai Chetan is ready with the experimental items. So Sai Chetan, unmute yourself. Sai Chetan. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Show me. So see, he has bowl full of water and a glass in his hand. Yes, start, Chetan. What do you want to do? He has inverted the glass. Tell me what you are doing. The same you should repeat. Say. Tell what you have done, Chetan. Speak out.
Glass, ma'am.
Yeah, glass. What you are doing with glass?
Experiment, ma'am.
Yes. What experiment? What did you do with the glass? You inverted the glass and you have put it in water.
The water, ma'am.
What happened? Did the water go inside the glass?
No, ma'am.
No. Can you tell me why?
Because of air, ma'am.
Yes. Where is that air?
In the glass, ma'am.
Inside the glass. Very good. The air has been trapped inside the glass, which is not allowing water to get into the glass. Now do something so that water comes into the glass. Do something to get water inside the glass. But that is not the way. See, when you invert it, you have to tilt a little. Let me show you just a second. Uh, just you tilt it. Just tilt it. Koncham vankarga pettu. The air will go out and water will get inside. Very good. In that way, water gets into the glass. Very good, Sai Chetan. Hope you understood. Now let us go to other person. Who Lalitaditya is ready. So let me go to him. Yes, Lalitaditya. Unmute yourself. Good, Sai Chetan. It was a good trial. Very good. Yes, Lalitaditya. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
1 minute, ma'am. I'm taking the ball. I'm not taking 1 minute.
No, not now. Then you be ready. Then again I will call you. Get ready meanwhile. Okay. Now I am going to other person. We cannot wait, right? Okay. Who is ready? Pranav is ready. Pranav Naik. So nice. Pranav. Yes, Pranav. Get ready?
I
Huh.
inverted the glass
Huh.
in the water.
Very good. So what happened?
Air pushes the water.
Yes, air push the water out, isn't it? So it's not allowing water to get into the glass. Very good. Then how to get water into the glass? You have to remove the air from the glass. How will you remove it? Yes, so you need not completely dip it also. A simple tilt, a little tilt of the glass will allow air out of the glass and water will be entered into the glass. Very good, Pranav. It's nice. Next, we'll go to the other person. Good, Pranav. Yes. Who is next? Now, whoever I select, they should speak out. They should say what you are doing. Okay. Joseph is ready. Fine. Yes, Joseph. Joseph. Yes, so nice. Tell me what you are going to do now. Tell me what are you doing?
Experiment, ma'am.
Yes, experiment for what? To know what we do experiment, to understand something, to know what you are doing this experiment, to know that air is around us.
Inside.
Okay, inside the glass. So you are first show me the empty glass first. Show me the empty glass. Show me the empty glass. ఖాళీ గ్లాస్ చూపించు పైకి తీయి మొత్తం yes very good so glass is empty tell your friends that see I have taken an empty glass say that say
I'm taking empty glass, ma'am.
very good now invert that glass into the water straight yes it should be straight otherwise yes what happened now did the water go inside the glass
No, ma'am.
no can you tell me why
Inside the air, ma'am.
yes, inside the glass there is air which is not allowing water to get into it, right? It's fighting with water. Now, how to get water inside the glass?
Cross, ma'am.
Tilt. Say tilt the glass. You are getting bubbles? You got the bubbles?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what it means? Air has gone out of the glass and water entered into the glass. Right? Very good, Joseph. But still you should speak out. Huh? You are listening. Whatever I am saying for every student, you should listen, understand, and speak out. Okay? Good, Joseph. Well done. Okay, next. Who is ready? Lalita Aditya has come with the bowl. Okay, let us go to him. Yes, Lalit. Get ready. Yes, good. Can you see the water inside the glass?
Yes, ma'am.
Water has gone inside the glass?
No, ma'am.
What is glass doing to your hand? No, see, listen to me, Lalit. When you are pushing the glass, when you are pushing the glass inside, glass is pushing your hand up, isn't it? నీ చేయి పైకి తోసేస్తుంది కదా? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that air is pressure and glass is coming up. So now see, you can see the bubbles? Can you see the
Yes,
bubbles?
ma'am.
Yes. So that bubble says that air is coming out of the glass and water is entered because of that way. Very good, Lalitaditya. Okay. So let us go to the other person now. Who is Karunya? Okay. No, Karuna Vachalya. Are you ready? Karuna Vachalya. Yes. So others can keep trying. Yes, Karuna, very good. Tell me what you are doing.
Experiment, ma'am.
Yes, experiment on what? Just a second, Karna. See, children, whoever is ready to do the experiment, please learn few sentences to say while doing experiment. Don't simply do something. For everyone, I am only speaking. You should speak out what you are doing. Okay? Yes, Karna, start. Karna, start. What you are playing with us?
I did heard, ma'am.
You didn't hear what I said?
No,
Then
ma'am.
okay, come back again. Learning that I will call other person now then. Hmm? You can't simply say that I didn't heard. Okay. Now who is ready? See, Saurajesh told very well what he has done. Similarly, all of you should say, who is ready next? Who raised the hand? Shruti. Okay. Shruti, already you have done? No. Okay. Yes, Shruti, get ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
did she? I can put it glass in water. That said is pushing on water.
Okay.
So I can put it. That said is going.
Okay.
So I can take it water.
Okay, fine. Well done, Shruti. But still, you can improve your statements, what you are speaking out, isn't it? But still, this says that you understood at least. Very good, Shruti. Good, well done. Next, Kartika.
Thanks, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. Kartika. Yes, Kartika, get ready.
Yes, ma'am.
This is Kartika has come. No, this girl is Sharwani. I am asking Kartika to come. Sarvani, wait, let me call Kartika. I called her. Kartika, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, start. Yes. Tell me what you are doing.
Yes. I am doing
What did you take first of all?
activity.
Okay.
I'm doing activity.
Okay. What activity is this? What activity is this?
Air and water.
It's about air and water. So, activity you are doing to show that there is air and water.
Yes, ma'am.
No. So let me see if other person can say it properly. Then I will call you again, Kartika. Meanwhile, listen to them properly. Okay? Yes. Next, who is ready with proper sentences to say? Who is ready? Raise your hand. Is Ashrita ready? Who else? Viksha is ready, I think. So let me see. Viksha, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what you're doing.
So when we will put the glass inside,
First, you tell me
that
what you're
takes
trying to
some air inside, ma'am.
do. Viksha, listen. First, you tell me what you're trying to do. What is that experiment you are doing? It's about
Air, ma'am.
air. You know that air is present everywhere. Okay? Yes, tell me. So, what are the things required to do this activity?
When we will put the glass inside,
Okay.
it takes some air inside.
Is it, it takes air?
Yeah,
No.
it, it comes.
It's already present inside the glass. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then what happened?
When we will put like this, we get some water bubbles.
Yes. So, what does it prove?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
You want me to repeat? Huh? Okay, okay. See, children, yes, now listen to me. Children, it's happy. I'm very happy to see you all to get ready with the required equipments. But listen to me, you people are not ready to, you have not come prepared, isn't it? Because just now I have taught you. So I will tell you once again, listen to me carefully. In the same way, you should do it again and show it to me in the next class. Okay, I will give chance to everyone. Okay, I'll give chance only 1 minute. Everyone should do it. Now listen to me carefully. Once again, I'm telling you, we are trying to show an activity here to know that air is present everywhere. Air is present everywhere.
Everywhere.
Air is present everywhere. For that, the activity is what are an air activity here. For that, the things required are a bowl with full of water,
Ma'am?
okay, and one glass.
Yes.
And one glass.
Okay, ma'am.
Listen, listen,
Fine.
listen,
Love you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
listen,
Okay.
listen to me. Yes, all of you listen to me. So things required are a bowl full of water and an empty glass. So first you have to show that the glass is completely empty. Right? We do not have anything. Actually, it means that air is present inside this which you cannot see. Okay, but how to know whether air is present inside or not? Once you invert this glass inside the water, you can see that there is no water inside the glass. It means that the air which is inside the glass is not allowing water to get into the glass. So here we proved that there was air inside the glass. Right? But how to get water into the glass? Once you push that air outside, then water can come inside. So now here simply a small tilt. As I tilted, you can see water bubbles coming out. It means the air is coming out and water is getting into the glass. In this way, you can take the water inside the glass. Okay, so we proved that everywhere there is air. Similarly, there was air inside the glass also. Clear? This is how you have to tell and do. And I expect this from everyone by the next class. Is everyone ready? Will everyone be getting ready for this? Okay? So I will not talk anything. You only should speak out properly. Okay? Now listen to me carefully. It's not only this experiment, there are few more which you are supposed to do. Listen to me carefully. Listen to me. Now, Hasni, I am not giving time to anyone. Next class, I will give you a chance. Now, listen to me. I say that air takes the shape of the object what you take. But how to prove that? How to prove that? See, when I close my hand like this, it means there is air inside. It means air inside. And that has taken the shape of this. What shape I made? The same shape. But how to prove again? For that, there is a proof. Can anyone tell me any experiment to prove that air takes the shape of the object? Anyone? Any experiment?
Water, ma'am.
Not this. Okay, I will give you one example. Listen to me. You people attend the birthday parties. You people attend the birthday parties? Yes. So what do you spread there regarding a
Balloon.
balloon? Very good. As you said, balloon. So what do? We blow air into the balloon, isn't it? So whatever the shape you give to balloon, in the same shape, air will be there inside the balloon. So this shows that air takes the shape of the object. So next class, Saurajesh, as already you have done this experiment, show blowing balloon for the next class, not this experiment. Okay, because already you have done this. So for that, you have to bring two balloons. Okay, how many, Saurajesh? Two balloons. You have to bring two balloons. One you have to blow in front of the class. One you have to put it like this. I will tell you another experiment in the next class with that two balloons. Clear? Is that clear? Good. Okay. Tridiva, are you listening to me? Tridiva, are you listening to me? Yes. So you have another experiment to do in the next class. You have to bring one. Okay, listen to me. You have to bring one empty glass like this. Okay, and not water. Bring one candle. Take one small candle and bring one matchbox. 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 So what are the things you have to bring? Tell me, Tridiva. Candle.
Candle put in.
Matchbox.
Candle put in matchbox
And one empty glass.
one empty glass.
Yes, three things you have to bring. So others are getting ready with bowl full of water and one empty glass, right? And Saurajesh is going to bring two balloons. Okay? Clear, Saurajesh? You have to bring two balloons and also one small stick. Can you bring a stick? Can you bring a stick, Saurajesh?
Yes, ma'am. I don't have balloons, ma'am.
Get it, my dear. For class, you cannot bring two balloons. If you cannot bring 10,
Yes, ma'am.
I will inform others. Only two.
I can bring, ma'am.
Yes, you need only two balloons and one stick. Okay. And Tridiva is going to bring one empty glass, a candle, and one matchbox. So we will do three different experiments in the next class. Okay. Did you all enjoy this class?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now listen to me carefully. The work given to you is, there will be see, Jashmitanjali has already two balloons. So nice. So we will do it in the next class. Now listen, look at the board. For today, we could not do revision. Time is up. So I will send you Google form on the two lessons. The clothes we wear, chapter 6. Healthy habits, chapter 7. On these two topics, I will send you a revision Google form which you people have to complete and send it to me back. Will all of you do that?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then, for today's class, it's end. So all of you complete that revision and submit it and get ready for Friday's class for the experiment. Is that clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, bye.
Bye, ma'am.